this video plan, I'm going to be talking about Visa. Visa just had earnings and has been consolidating, but this is a really great strong pattern. And if we get some confirmation and power, this stock could see much higher. It's kind of getting rid of its overbought situation over here. So let's take a look at here what's going to happen. I'm going to talk about a few key points. So let's talk about this whole thing. So pay attention to this whole video. V is setting up to test 90 to 92. The March 17, 85 calls could be used. The key is confirmation, but the stock is a very strong chart, like I said, right? Again, I will make an update if I see this confirmed. This most likely will not confirm. It may take a few days to confirm. But let's take a look at the plan, the total plan. And again, there'll be some things I'll be saying that will not be here, so pay attention to the video. V needs to break above 86 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 1 million on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is, well, if the volume isn't strong enough in the 86 area, we might be looking for this stock, might close in the 86 area. We'll need to see it base above 86. And look for power towards 86.5 to even 87. The key is we need to see some power and pressure as we are going to these numbers. So if we don't get the volume through 86, we might need this might close and need to base above 86, and then we'll need to look for power through 86.5 to breaking into new highs of 87. Without that kind of action to the upside, proper action, the stock could be stuck in chop, right? Could go lower. So this needs to reverse pretty soon. I'm talking about no more than about a couple of days from now. And then again, if I see the numbers will change, I'll have to make an update. But as it stands, what I'm looking for is that this breaks above 86 on some good action volume. If we don't get that strong action volume through 86, then we'll look for it to close above 86. So we'll look for a close above 86 and then look for power through 86.5 to 87 on the same type of volume. Okay. Again, if I see that it's confirming, I will make comments about Visa. This isn't a fast mover, but with these March 85 calls, this could make a lot of money, and there's plenty of time, and this should confirm pretty soon. I don't see much more than a few days to a week. So here's the plan, and to be watching out for it. Let's go take a look at the option. Let's talk about Visa. So Visa closed at 85.06 on February the 8th. All right, so let's put up the March 17 calls, Visa. All right, and we're going to scroll down here. And here are the 85 calls. You can see there's a lot of a lot of trading today in this. By the way, a lot of options traded here. Right? So this is very interesting. And again, these are trading around $1.70 right now. Or actually, this is very weird what they did, but it did close around this area. So I would say, this is a pretty tight spread. We'll say the close is 168 because it doesn't make any sense when the bid and ask is one. Sometimes they have these crazy numbers, but we'll say that at this point in time, it is closed around the 168 area. Of course, on confirmation, it probably might cost $1.80 to $2 area. It could, we'll say, could be less, right? Also, a lot of open interest in the 87.5 calls, if you like this as well. But I prefer the 85s just because in case this doesn't move fast enough, these should at least be able to make some sort of a profit on the low end if things don't move quick enough. And at the same time, like I said, these are trading pretty well. But you can look to use the 87.5 calls, and they are trading under $1. As you can see, they close around 64 cents. Okay, this is again pretty tight spreads, about 4-cent spreads. So Visa has pretty good spreads. And on the short-term basis, I can see them really taking this up on a minimal level to the $8 to the $90 area quickly. Shouldn't take long, no more than about a week and a half to 2 weeks, the longest, from a proper confirmation. And that means the options could make about 150 to 200% gains on the low end. Of course, if they do even better than that and go to 92 or something, and they do it, and it depends on the strength, it'll be even better. All right, so there you have, people. We've got the plan. It's just wait. This is a great pattern, great time frame alignment, but I think they're just trying to get some of the overbought. This pattern, it's too powerful. There's too much reasons for this not to go higher. Fundamentals are great for the stock. Again, let's wait for confirmation that we can make money with these March 17 options. So if you like these plans and want to see more of my plans, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. At the end of the video, you're going to see the Sandro Power Target Trade is going to appear here in a circle. Simply click on it to automatically subscribe. Also follow me on Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. I'm not sure why the symbol is crazy, but there's a Power Trigger Trade Twitter. And let me show you my website here quickly. So here's my website now. It's loading up here. Look at that nice video background over here. Power Target Trades confirmation is key. This video here is really important. I have some great videos that really show the power of what I'm doing. And again, the key of confirmation. And like I said, these were done with weekly options that worked very smoothly. You should check out this option. You're able to go and look at the charts yourself. But this is documented before the move and then after the move with the option prices. And that's how you see. This is a great video to see. Check it out. This was Apple to 200K, but these were with monthly. This was with weekly options. So the Google was with weekly. I usually do weekly with when Googles are set up, and Apple usually with sometimes with weekly, but mostly monthly call options are used in my plans. Another great video to see with the Senex was a really great video. You should see this video. It's a really eye-opening video. This was done with monthly calls, 300% gains in 7 days. Really great. And then check out this as well. February 11th, 2016 reversal plan when most of the people were bearish. It was such a bearish market back February 11th. But I made this great plan. Check it out. See what happened. It's an eye-opener. So there you have it, people. So there you have, people. Don't forget to subscribe. You're going to see the Sandro Power Trigger Trade coming right here, right at the end of the video. Thanks for listening. Like the video.